Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, let's just say I wasn't sure about this collection when I saw it come out, and I was like, you know what? Let me pick it up. Let me try it out. I didn't get everything in the collection. I got a couple things and I'm okay with that. So today we're playing with the Kylie Nightmare on Elm Street eyeshadow palette and the lip lacquers from the collection. Now, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But if you want to see how I got this look using those products, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we have the Kylie Nightmare on Elm Street palette. This is actually really interesting. I was not expecting this when I saw it come out, and there are a lot of like red and neutral tones in here, and then this green. But I'm gravitating towards this red glitter, this burgundy shade. So I think I want to play around with those. Let's go ahead and swatch some of the shimmers first. Okay, so this first shade is I'll Be Your Nightmare. That is really pretty. Then this shade is Springwood High. That's the red that I want to play around with. This shade is Come to Freddy, which it's pretty. I kind of gravitate towards this one more. This shade right here is Elm Street. And then this color right here is Stay Up Late, which has kind of like that orange tangerine hue to it. So those are all the shimmers that are in the palette. Now there is a note on the back of the palette, and it says that shades Come to Freddy, Bad Dream, Don't Fall Asleep, Dream Demon, Stay Up Late, and Springwood High are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Except that's one of them right there, and I really want to play with it. I understand the warning is there to let you know not to play around with it by your eyes. That just means be careful. I am still going to use those shades. Okay, so I think I want to play with this shade Dream Demon. I'm going to place that into the crease in the outer V, and then I will go and shade it out with some of the more neutral shades. And Dream Demon is actually one of them that says it's not eye safe. It's got some good color payoff though. Now I wonder if it will stain my eyes, because I've had that happen with red shades. Alright, so we kind of have that shape for the crease area. And now let's go into the outer V. That will actually get cleaned up with makeup. I like it so far. It's blending out beautifully. It's not patchy. So now on another fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Alive But Dead, which is this light brown shade. I'm only gonna grab a little bit of it and just on the outer edge blur right there. So we have that blurred out a little bit. I'm just gonna go back into the crease and touch it up. I didn't grab any extra product. If you hear the cat in the background, I don't know what she's doing. She could be, I mean, she's been a little weird since I pulled my suitcase out because I had to pack for a work trip. She's not a fan of my suitcase because it means I disappear. Now I'm gonna go into Springwood High, and I'm just gonna grab that on my ring finger. I didn't fill this in, and I don't plan on it, just because this glitter is really just a glitter. And I wanna leave some of this clear, and then it'll pick up the other color. It's an interesting combination. So this color, Springwood High, is literally just a pressed glitter. There is no like base color to it. So it added, It looks like it added a little bit of a red hue to it, which is fine, but it's pretty like opaque underneath the glitter. I think that's the right word. I don't know. It's been a long day. But then out here you're picking up some of that like fuchsia-y cranberry shade. It's interesting, but I don't hate it. So I'm gonna go do this eye, do some face makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so now we need to finish off this under eye, and I'm thinking we're gonna go into this light brown shade, Alive But Dead, and then go back into Dream Demon in the outer corner and sweep it under the eye. Just keep it very, very red today. I feel like these shades are pretty pigmented. There's some pretty good payoff with them. And then into Dream Demon on that same brush. Okay, for inner corner, I'm gonna use this shade Elm Street, which is very icy. And I think it'll have some good color payoff. Now the brow bone. Okay, you guys, let me go do some eyeliner, my brows, and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, now we need to do lips, and there are 3 lip lacquers in this collection. First off, look at this packaging. It's got like the blood splatters on it. Just, it's creepy. It's kind of creepy. Okay, so this first lip lacquer, this is in the shade Only a Dream. I have a feeling this will be the one that I go for because it's a nude. There's not really a scent to it. That is really pretty. I gravitate towards the nude shades. Like, this is beautiful. Then we're gonna go with the lighter red. This one is Elm Street. Ooh. That is a really pretty red. Kind of like strawberry red, but I really like that. And then this third shade is Never Sleep Again. Anyone else watching scary movies, getting ready for Halloween? I am not. I don't really like scary movies by myself. Ooh. Those 3 shades are really pretty. So there's all 3 of them together. And I'm gonna go with this shade, especially because the eye is very bold. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm really digging my eyes. It's usually the one thing that I really enjoy is doing my eye makeup. The lip lacquer feels really good on the lips. And they look super juicy. Like, it feels so nice and like slippy, like not super slippy. Now, I have some thoughts on this palette. So first off, like half the palette isn't eye safe based off of this note. But I get it, they need to put the warning on there. I feel like these shades performed beautifully. The only thing, this shade right here, Springwood High, which is the glitter, it's weird. So when you look at it, it's starting to already like hard matte down in there. When I started to go in there the first time, it was picking up a lot of the glitter. It was really pretty. It was laying down beautifully. This eye, when I was going in there, I had to like dig in and swatch it a couple different times just to get the same payoff as this one. So to me, like that color doesn't perform as well as I would like it to do. But maybe if I had used one of my silicone brushes, which still haven't located, maybe it would have performed differently. So I'll play around with it some more. I really like how it turned out with the like magenta cranberry shade on the outside and then the red glitter on the inside. It's a very red eye look, which I'm okay with. It's Nightmare on Elm Street, one of the original horror movies of like my time when I started growing up. But I wasn't sure. When I saw this, I was like, really? Like this is what we're going for, Kylie? But I like it. For Halloween, I think that if you're doing like that bloody, gory type of makeup, now you only have this dark green, and I didn't swatch it, but I mean, it's pretty. I don't know that I want to do this type of look again, which I just did with the Wilderness palette, but it's keeping with the shades of Freddy's sweater. Along with the eyeshadow palette, there were a couple other things that I chose not to pick up. I want to say there were like eyelashes and like a weird red jelly that was like a cheek lip stain. That wasn't my vibe. I wasn't feeling it, so I just did the eyeshadow palette and the 3 lip lacquers, which I like the shades that are in here. So I do want to try out like these 2 shades, especially now that it's fall. I've been using a little more like red lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, so we'll get into that vibe. I don't know, let me know your comments down below. Are you interested in picking up this collection? Were you thinking that this would be the way that Kylie would go for Halloween? Let me know your thoughts. I like interacting with you guys down in the comments. I like knowing your opinions. Maybe we have different opinions, but I want to know. I want to know what your thoughts are on this collection and it coming from Kylie Cosmetics. But that's it for this video, you guys. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, bye, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.